Welcome to Ami's Two Cents. In this video, we are going to have a discussion on why you should buy health insurance on F1 visa and other visas. First of all, maybe it is a requirement of your school to have the health insurance. And most of the schools nowadays are providing health insurance. You can buy from the school, and otherwise you can go online and find any other company that pays that sells you health insurance on lower charges, and you can buy by yourself and provide the proof. Some of the school even don't bother to ask you to provide the health insurance. They suppose you should buy by yourself if you are interested, and if you are not interested, it's your responsibility. But I will advise you to buy the health insurance by any means. You should buy the health insurance. Why? First of all, you will be paying a lot more money to the hospitals in case you have to go to the hospital. So you are going on the road, you got maybe sick, some accident happened with you, and you have to go to hospital. If you are going to the hospital maybe 4 hours or maybe only for one day, the bill can be thousands of dollars. I can tell you, like if you are staying in a hospital, sometimes the bills are 25 to $50,000 for one day. That's like terrible big amount of money you have to pay to the hospital. So it really depends on your situation, but the amounts are huge. So when you compare to the having health insurance for whole year, and if you don't have health insurance, paying the bill to hospital, that's really a lot of money. Next, if you are coming from a developing country, most of the time we go to doctor check our fever and give us the medicine right there. And here, the doctors are don't they are not really interested, or they don't have that way. Like, okay, they're gonna give you medicine at doctor's office. So what they will do, you go to the doctor's office, and then the doctors are going to check you and send you to the pharmacy to get the medicine. Now if you don't have insurance, the medicine can be also very costly. That I have seen medicine $400 $500 $70 $80. But if you have health insurance, that can cost you maybe $15 $20 or $60. So, and there are medicine, they go in thousands of dollars. So I will suggest you buy the health insurance. It will save you a lot of money on the pharmacy when you go get the medicine. Now, if number two and number three, you go to the hospital, you get treated, or you get to pharmacy and you got the medicine, and at pharmacy you have to have paid though. But let's say you go to a hospital in case of emergency, and they fix you and they let you go home. You didn't pay at that point. Like, okay, now you go home, they are going to send you a bill. Now when they send you a bill and you do not answer them, you do not pay it, they are going to give maybe like 3 4 tries. They will send you by mail those letters like, okay, pay our bill. If you don't do that, they're going to give this bill to some collecting agencies. Collecting agencies, they will collect the money from the people, and then give back some money to the hospital and keep some part of it. Okay, so these collecting agencies are not going to leave you alone. They're going to call you many times. They're going to send you letters, and they will try to get money out of you. Now you don't answer their phones, or you don't reply to their mail. You say, okay, I'm not going to pay any penny. Okay, you can do that. They can have they might take some legal action. Let's say they don't take any legal action, but you did not pay the debt, and you did not make any payment. And but the next point is more terrible or hard, because now you need to buy a car, and you go and buy a car, and the car company is going to run your credit and see, oh, this guy owe this much money to this collecting agency as a debt, and he's not making any payment. They will not give you car, or you pay the whole amount in cash. So sometime, let's say you need to buy a car of $10,000 on installment. You will not be able to buy that car because you have that debt with that collecting agency, and they can see from your social security number. So if you need to go and say, okay, I need to buy this Verizon phone, or I need to get this other services, and they're going to check your credit. And if you even need to go get power in the house, so you go say, okay, I'm moving to the new house, I need to get the power, because it doesn't work in Pakistan or India. I have seen like a power company, you rent a place, the meter is running on the owner's name. Here you go to the rent a place, you have to have a meter, electric, gas, and all that meters on your name. Now you go there, rent a place. Okay, first of all, you will not be able to rent because the owner is going to check your credit, and he's going to see, oh, this guy own this much debt to this collecting agency. How he's going to pay me rent if he's not paying his bills? Same way, your power company is not going to connect you with the power because you own a debt and you are not paying it. So your life will be very hard if you are going through that route not paying it. So the best part is you get the health insurance, and it will help you to make the payments. It will help you to reduce a lot of bill, and then at least on a remaining amount you can keep making the payments. I will make another video how much money we pay as a citizens or as a student when you even have a health insurance. Even you have health insurance in the United States, still you pay a lot of money. But I will make a video in detail about that. Thanks very much for watching this video. I hope this video will help. Subscribe if you like my effort. Thank you.